This dish of braised chicken is chock full of ginger, giving it the perfect complement to garlic, shallots, and fish sauce, all combined in a warm, family-style dish served with rice. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make Vietnamese caramel braised chicken with ginger. Now, my Vietnamese friends are gonna be commenting on this, but I'm getting it as close as I can. It's Ya Ho Gung. Ya Ho Gung. Ya Ho Gung. That's what it's called. That's close enough. We're going to go on from there. It's going to be a great dish. Has a lot of ginger in it. In fact, you use almost 3 inches of ginger, and you cut 2 inches of it into fine little sticks like this, and then you smash the remaining 3/4 of an inch, about 2 3/4 total. I've got 1 shallot sliced thinly, and I've got 2 garlic cloves sliced thinly, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and we'll use 1.5 cups of unsweetened coconut water. We have 2 pounds of chicken cut up in about 1-inch pieces, and we're gonna finish it off with some cilantro and, of course, some white rice. First thing we're gonna do is make the caramelized sugar. Spread this out in the pan. There's the 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're going to be medium-high heat. And we're just going to let it sit. We're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden. This is about 3 minutes. You can see it's turned colors. Cook about another 3 or 4, 15, 30 seconds. We're going to turn it down now. And now we're putting in our aromatics. And we're going to stir this around a little bit. The sugar's almost burnt. It's not burnt, it's almost burnt. And it's fragrant. Time to put in the chicken. And we're going to turn it back up a little bit. Just till we get rid of the pink. Man, that smells good. All right, the pink is gone. Looks good, smells fantastic. It's time to put in the liquids and turn it down to a simmer. That's our 1.5 cups of coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut water, unsweetened coconut water. All right, so we got it turned down too much now because we want to bring it up to a simmer. And we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes. Ga Ho Jung is a Vietnamese staple that is almost always prepared at Tet, which is a celebration of the Lunar New Year. Ga means chicken, He means simmered, Jung means ginger. The dish was popularized in the United States in a San Francisco restaurant called the Slanted Door. Ga Ho Jung is a combination and a balance of strong and delicate flavors. Some say as popular as pho. Traditionally, it is served with white rice, which is how we are going to do it today. Okay, we've cooked this for 30 minutes. The liquid is reduced by at least half. It should be coconut water instead of milk, but that's all there was at the store I go to, and so it is unsweetened. It's probably thicker, it's probably not authentic because of that, and it's got the milk taste to it, but I think this will be fine. We're gonna try it, and it looks good. And I'll tell you what, it smells fantastic. And of course, we got some white rice to put on it underneath. And we're ready to taste. I'm looking forward to it. I know it's going to taste a lot like ginger, but the ginger's cooked for a long time. You see if I can't get everything, a little bit of cilantro in it. The ginger is not overwhelming at all. It's very tasty. It's tender. That's got a lot of flavor. The ginger is not overpowering though, but you can absolutely taste it. Ooh, I don't know how much different it would be with just coconut water instead of coconut milk, but this is tasty.
That is velvety.
Yep.
The flavor is very warm.
That is tasty.
That's
You got to try this.
incredibly good.
I got this recipe out of Cook's Illustrated for this year, and I followed it except for the coconut milk. Instead of using coconut water, it's exactly pretty much like they had. The sugar was not quite burnt. It's to a caramel, almost soy sauce color, just like we did it. And this is tasty. I like the juice. The ginger is not overpowering, and it's good. And I like the cilantro because it adds a little fresh taste to it as well. All right.
Okay.
Well, if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and tell me where you're from. And because
I'm from Tallahassee.
I am not. I'm from Greenville, South Carolina. How about that?
How about that?
How about that? See you next time on
While you're in the kitchen.